Hi, my name is Vikram and we're here at India's first poke bar at Guppy. We're here to dish out a nice poke meal. Now what is poke is actually a Hawaiian dish which is a healthy meal in a bowl with multiple options of protein, multiple options of garnishes and grain. So here what I have in front of me is beautiful Scottish salmon, really fresh. We've got some nice avocado slices. We've got some sweet corn. We've got some edamame bean here. And we have multiple options of grain. Now here what I have is partially cooked barley pulse. I have some cooked quinoa and I also have some nice black rice. So I think that sounds interesting indeed. So let's start dishing it out.